Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special phone we call Honda Accord 2018 to 2019 years. Okay, this is the UI interface. It will come with special harness and canvas box. This special harness and canvas box will come with head unit. Okay, you can choose the time. You also can choose logo. You can check settings. Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose the logo. You can choose Honda logo. It's change the logo. And theme editor is color. You can adjust any color on this panel. Okay, let me back the Belsee logo. Let me check the settings. We already upgraded this icon with color. You can check button machine. You can check the MCU volume and CPU. It's Octa core. Memory size 4 GB. It's PX5. Android version is 9. Pi system. Okay. Let me back the home. Firstly, let me introduce internet. It's built in the Wi-Fi. You can check it show Wi-Fi. And you can visit YouTube. Okay. Let me put our website belsee.com, belsee.com. com. Okay, this is our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website and contact to us. Okay, this is our website. Let me introduce music. There are two USB cables on back of head unit. This is USB driver. When you play, connect USB cable, it will autoplay music. Okay, there are no sound because I do not connect the speaker. Let me connect small speaker. Come back. It's the volume control button. You also can change this volume. Sorry. It's you stop. is our website. It can support the navigation and the music at the same time. It's a split model. Okay. Let me introduce the video. You can choose the USB 4. It's no picture because you need to set it in the it have a picture now. It's a 4K video display. Okay, we're back to home. All apps are here. You can check it built in Google Play Store and Google Maps. Let me check the Bluetooth. This is pin number 40 from Bluetooth. Let me open my phone. You can check. Please open the Bluetooth from your phone and search. Click search. It get Galaxy S8 connecting. Your phone will get the command. You can put 40. Okay, it's connected. Show Bluetooth icon, and you can make a phone call. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Volume from your phone. Can stop, play again. Okay, this is streaming music. Back to home. This is long press for set the radio. This is radio. You can click search the radio stations. It's amplifier. And It's vehicle information. It's decoded by canvas box. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.